पावर स्कॅमाचो परत एक फावट तपास करपाचो न्याय दंडाधिकाऱ्याचो आदेश बेकायदेशीर आसा असो युक्तिवाद शेनवारा दक्षिण गोंयच्या सत्र न्यायालयान आरोपी आदलो वीज मंत्री मॉविन गुदिन्होच्या आदवोगादांनी घालो. आरोप्यांनी परत तपास करपाचो आरोप बेकायदेशीर म्हणीत हे केशीची सुनावणी थांबोवची असो युक्तिवाद आदवोगादांनी घाला. 23 तारखेर आतां परत सुनावणी जातली.
See, we have filed an application. Accused number 1, 2 and 5 has filed an application before the court saying that the order which is passed by the magistrate to reinvestigate the entire case again is illegal, and that is why this proceeding should not go ahead and this proceeding should be stopped immediately. Second contention which was raised was that the reinvestigation also contains, order which was passed also contains the provisions which are pertaining to Prevention of Corruption Act, and for that there is no power with the magistrate to order investigation. The power is with some other court and not with the magistrate, and on that count also these proceedings should not go ahead, and that is why this proceeding should be stopped immediately and the matter should be closed. This is some different court before which it has to go. That power is with some other court under the Prevention of Corruption Act. This magistrate has no power. That is the contention.
आणि अंडर करप्शन एक्ट पळय आसा ही केस मॅजिस्ट्रेटाक पावर ना थंय, ओन्ली स्पेशल जजाक आसा आनी ही ऑर्डर पास केल्या मॅजिस्ट्रेटान.
म्हणटा ह्या केसीक हे ना,
ह्या केसीन ती त्या खातीर इलिगल म्हटल्या न्हू आमी.
केन्ना दवरल्या पण ती?
आतां ती 23 तारखेर दवरल्या.
थँक्यू सर.